Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix battery draining on REALME GT 70. So, first, open the settings right here and go to battery. Here, you can see the battery usage and battery health. We should power saving settings, yeah. Then go to automatically enter power saving at, and you can even select a 75%. Next thing is to lower the brightness of a screen, and the best is to even use the automatic brightness, but I can't do it right now because you won't see a thing. Then disconnect with Bluetooth and disable location. Disconnect with Wi-Fi, I meant to say. Yeah, disconnect with Wi-Fi, disable location, Bluetooth, NFC, and mobile data. And here, in the battery usage, you can see the battery usage by apps, and you can see how much every of your app is draining your power, and use this app wisely. And the last thing is, in settings, scroll down to system and update, software update. Oh yeah, I don't have network connection, but you should. Okay, now I have, so I'll show you. It's checking for updates, and if you have any update, then just download it. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.